Hey guys, I'm Ben Lear from Thrillist and Lear Ventures. Excited to introduce a new program we're rolling out with Samsung called Speed Dating for Startups. Every day we feature awesome businesses on Thrillist, as you know, because you are a handsome and wonderful person who is reading this email. And we're looking for the absolute best startup idea in the country. So get out your camera, your phone, your whatever, make a 30-second video of your idea, send it to us, and you're going to be entered to win an incredible prize pack with tons of great Samsung startup equipment for your business, a prize package of services to get your guy off the ground, as well as an email launching the company on Thrillist sent to all these wonderful people who are reading this email. So we're really excited. Samsung's been an incredible partner. Let's get this thing rolling and start some businesses.